Howdy. This is a little video about the Electronics Chapter 4 review packet or page. It's kind of this buff colored packet that's kind of like the color of my shirt. So didn't mean for that to happen, but that's what it is. So it's got a front and there's a back, and it's going to help us review for a test on Wednesday. So I'll do a little bit of a walkthrough here on what you're looking for with questions 1 through 5. So 1 through 5 says use examples found in Chapter 4. So you can use the examples from the book, 4-12, 4-13, 4-14, 4-15 to help you. But it's looking for, number one is looking for voltage. So I know that voltage is equal to I times R. There's some other ways we can find voltage, but I know that I have amperage and I have ohms. And so if I times those together, I get 1,600. So 4 times 400 is that. All right. So that's what questions 1 through 5 are looking for. So it's the same setup for 2. 3, I'm looking for amperage, and I know that amperage is equal to voltage divided by resistance. So I can plug in my substitution, and I know that 120 divided by 60 is equal to 2 amps. That's questions 1 through 5. All right. Down here, you'll need to write some stuff out, like the definition for wattage, kilowatt hours, polarity, alternating current, or direct current. Like I know that a kilowatt hour is equal to 1,000 watts continuously used in 1 hour. That's what a kilowatt hour is. It's just a unit of measure for the electric company to use for billing purposes. All right. So again, 1,000 watts continuous in 1 hour. That's a kilowatt hour. So you had a 1,000-watt appliance running for 1 hour continuously. It's a kilowatt hour. So that's the bottom. Backside, it says to calculate using 10 cents a kilowatt hour for the appliances. So we have our cost per year. I know to find amperage, I can do wattage divided by voltage. And if I do that, I know I get like 6 point something. 6.25 amps. And I know that if I take 750 and divide it by 1,000 and multiply that times my number of hours in a day, I get my kilowatt hours per day. And I know from doing this before, it's 0.1875. So 0.1875 kilowatts per day. If I take that times the 10 cents, I know I get 0.01875. And I take it times $30 or 30 days in a month, and I get 0.5625. Take that times 12 for 12 months. Take that times 10 cents an hour, and I get $6.75. So if I'm going to show my work on that, how I did this, again, my I was power divided by voltage. That's one of my 12 formulas. And I is equal to 750 divided by 120. So then I equals 6.25. So that's where that came from. Next, I'm going to do my 750 divided by 1,000 times 0.25. And that's going to give me 0.1875 kilowatt hours per day. So that's where I got that number. My wattage divided by 1,000 times the number of hours I use it per day. And I take my daily rate, so my cost per day. So I take my 0.1875. Whoops. Times 10 cents. And I'm going to add a 0, so 0.01875. And that's my daily cost per day. Then I take my 0.01875 times 30, and I get my 0.5625 per month. 0.5625. Really, I could do this. So times 12, and then I get my 6.75. So since I've already done the 10 cents per daily right here, then I know that this is my ending number here. So $6.75. So that's, again, 12 months. So it's 56 cents a month. 12 months is $6.75. So I gave you space to work everything out. That way I can kind of give you feedback in class here on how you're doing. Please use this. Please show your work. Please. It's really the same setup as the test. Definitions, math and stuff, the formulas that you need to know, a big table like this. It's really similar. Okay, so break it down. What's it cost per day? How many days in a month? 30. How many months in a year? 12. And then what's my yearly cost? All right. Good luck. Hope this helped. Thank you.